In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find duplicate data in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a big list, tracking inventory, or just want to clean up your spreadsheet, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to check. Once you're there, highlight all the cells that you want to check for duplicates. Make sure to select carefully so you don't miss any important entries. Next, click on the Format menu and then select Conditional Formatting. This will open a panel on the right side where you can create rules that highlight cells automatically. You'll see a default color applied to your selection, but don't worry, we're going to customize it so it highlights only duplicates. To do this, scroll down in the Conditional Formatting panel and click on Custom Formula Is. Now you'll need to enter a special formula to detect duplicates. You can type equals countifa a 1 if your data is in column A, or adjust the column reference to match your selection. Once you enter the formula, the duplicate entries will be highlighted automatically. To make the duplicates stand out even more, you can change the highlight color. Click on the color box and choose something bright like red. Once you're happy with the color, click Done, and you'll see all the duplicates highlighted clearly across your sheet. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, you can quickly identify any repeated entries and take action, whether that's deleting them, correcting mistakes, or just reviewing your data. It's also a good idea to double-check the formula range if you add more data later. This ensures everything stays accurate and up to date. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to find and highlight duplicates in Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, share it with others who might be struggling with duplicate data. Why not make someone's day easier?